I would like to give a brief demonstration of the EDM setup inside CimatronE. Here we have some electrodes that we made on this particular core block, and we've assigned some 3D trajectory to some of the electrodes. So while the majority of these electrodes are going to burn in the Z direction, these two electrodes here on the side are going to burn differently. We've set a 45-degree angle on this one, and this one is going to first come down in Z and then burn over in X, and we can see that by doing the animation here. Okay, next we're going to go into the EDM Setup program. And this example will be for a Makino. So here on the first page we can enter some information like the job number, core block. We can have the number of cavities here. We have a default Z start, and we have a tank height. And over on the left are all the electrodes. Next is information about the electrode. So here you'll notice that if I pick on this location, these values here show up. These are the burn locations passed to the software through Cimatron, and we have the ability to tweak these. Some shops will actually CMM the electrodes. If they find out it's 1/1000th off center in X, they can put this value in order to get it back on center. You can also tweak the Z value here as well. If you want to have them all stay up a couple thousandths and run them, you can do that. You have the ability to call this multi-sided electrode. It could be any number of sides. Down here are the settings, and this one has a nice template built into it. So if I click here and say paste electrode values from database, it brings up a template here where I can have a 2/1000ths overburn for steel, 6/1000ths overburn for steel, or 10/1000ths, and so on. And this is just set up at the request of the customer. So in this example, this company is using these offsets primarily. They've got settings in here for steel ribs, aluminum settings. So I'm going to go ahead and take a 10/1000ths offset for steel, and then I'm going to take that one and push it into all the electrodes. Okay, so that quickly it set up all the burn settings and the overburn amounts for all these electrodes. Next, well, also down here you see that there's different types of orbit. You can select 2D or 3D, round, again, whatever settings the machine has we can set up here. Okay, next we go to sorting. Now let's assume for a minute that maybe the first electrode was a very complex one, and we decided to machine that one last in order to get the machine running. So only trodes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are done. We're going to only burn these electrodes. So I push that over to the right, and then let's say that perhaps I want to see the last electrode burn first. I can take these ones and push it all the way up to the top. Now I've changed the order so that electrode 9 is going to be burning first, and then pick up with 2 on down through 8. Alright, and then I'm ready to create the G-code file. So I click on Generate Output File, select my work coordinate system, say OK, View Output File, and then here is the code that's going to go to the machine with burn locations, trajectories, and burn conditions.